Tonight, a push for relief amid the state's insurance crisis. State regulators are now telling Citizens Property Insurance to reduce their proposed rate hikes. The push comes just hours before several state legislators spoke with the insurer. We'll get to that meeting in just a moment. But first, state leaders are asking citizens to cap their rates at 12% instead of the proposed increase of an average of 12%, the max allowed by state law. They're also asking some homeowners see no rate hike at all, but experts say the short-term gain may lead to long-term problems.
This pushes Florida closer to what we commonly refer to as a hurricane tax, where every consumer would be helping to replenish the funds of citizens if they are tapped for major storm losses, which is certainly a possibility.
Citizens has until September 17th to submit a new proposal. Rate increases will take effect on December 9th. Remember, even if rates don't increase, your premium will likely still increase based on a number of factors. All of this coming just hours before state senators met with the insurance company to talk about solutions to the crisis. Tonight, 10 Tampa Bay Shannon Clow listened in on that meeting after speaking with one man facing rate hikes who had some proposals of his own.
All the insurance companies basically say, okay, you're in Florida, so you're going to pay high rates.
Living in rural Brooksville, Richard Ross has seen his insurance rates go through the roof.
It doesn't matter whether you live in inland or on the coast, it's still jacked up.
He believes our lawmakers need to make changes.
Maybe Citizens should only be the secondary insurance company and not provide primary insurance.
That's why state senators met with officials from Citizens Property Insurance tonight during a public town hall online.
Ideally, the state's residual insurer should not be the largest property insurer in Florida.
The president of Citizens Property Insurance says in 2018, they had around 450,000 policies. Now they have 1.37 million policies, which is a problem, especially if we see a hurricane.
If you had 70% of the market share where Ian hit, you'd be wiped out.
We would have to assess.
One potential solution brought up would be a cap on insurance rates. Richard says that would definitely make him less anxious.
I only paid $300 and something. My last bill, which just renewed in July, was $700.
Right now, lawmakers are just talking about what they can do, but Richard hopes they will enact solutions sooner than later.
Hope one, that my insurance doesn't go through the roof, and hope two, that some catastrophe doesn't hit my company to where they decide, well, we're just going to close up and go out of business.
For 10 Tampa Bay, I'm Shannon Clow.
If you have questions you want answered or solutions for state leaders, there will be an in-person town hall in Tampa tomorrow night at 7 at the Emmanuel P. Johnson Rec Center.